I got a badly damaged exterior stucco wall in my garden. Here was what I did to repair it. First of all, I removed old stucco, then put on steel lath. For this project, I used 2 coating scheme. Base coat and the last stucco coat. I bought these mix from the Home Depot. I also needed these tools. After base coat stucco was applied, mist twice each day, morning and evening for 7 days. Wet the surface before applying stucco mix as the last coat. Smooth the mix with a coarse rubber float. This will give you a very coarse surface. To match wall's original texture, I use my hand to grab small globs of wet mix and flick against the wall. Then gently smooth them with a wood float in circular motion. Stucco mix must be wet enough. Otherwise it won't stick to the wall. Let the patch cure for a week before painting it and the rest of the wall.